Diseases updates, covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by Lucid Quest. The U.S. FDA has granted orphan drug designation to JR-446 for the treatment of MPS IIIB, also known as Sanfilippo syndrome type B. Currently, there are no approved treatments for MPS IIIB, and JR-446 shows promising potential in addressing central nervous system symptoms. This designation marks a critical step forward as the drug is in phase 1-2 trials. Infinite Health's INF-108 has been granted both orphan drug and rare pediatric disease designations by the FDA. This is for the prevention of necrotizing enterocolitis, a life-threatening condition in preterm infants. The designations offer valuable incentives for faster clinical development, and INF-108 shows significant promise in improving survival rates for vulnerable neonates. THE-001, a liposomal chemotherapy formulation, has received FDA orphan drug status for soft tissue sarcomas. This designation could support its development and provide 7 years of market exclusivity upon approval. THE-001 was previously granted orphan status by the European Medicines Agency and is now on track for clinical development in the United States. Biodexa's E-Rapa has received orphan drug designation in Europe for treating familial adenomatous polyposis, also called FAP. FAP is a rare genetic disorder with no current pharmaceutical treatments. Biodexa is now preparing for a phase 3 registrational study, supported by a significant grant to move forward. Andelyn Biosciences has successfully developed a novel gene therapy for NEDAMSS syndrome, a rare neurodegenerative disease. The therapy was developed just 10 months after the project began and 14 months after diagnosis. The first patient has shown positive results after treatment. This milestone represents a significant breakthrough in gene therapy for ultra-rare diseases. Ultragenyx recently shared its strategic roadmap for rare disease treatments at the Bank of America conference. The company aims to achieve GAAP profitability by 2027, with key trials focused on osteogenesis imperfecta and Angelman syndrome. Ultragenyx expects revenues between $640 million and $670 million for 2025, despite regulatory and competitive challenges. Azafaros raised 132 million euros, or approximately $150 million, to advance its drug nizubaglustat into late-stage trials for Niemann-Pick disease type C, as well as GM1 and GM2 gangliosidosis. These rare neurometabolic diseases involve enzyme deficiencies and the buildup of toxic substances. Azafaros aims to modify the course of these conditions with its oral therapy. Takeda's enzyme replacement therapy, Adzynma, has been approved by the UK's MHRA for congenital thrombotic thrombocytopenic purpura, also known as CTTP. This is the first approved treatment for this rare blood clotting disorder in the United Kingdom. In clinical trials, Adzynma proved to be more effective than traditional plasma-based therapies. Stay ahead in rare diseases research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com